Today, we're gonna build houses with all kinds of cool materials. People build houses to stay safe, warm, and dry. But did you know they don't all look the same?
Wood is strong and keeps us warm in cold places.
Here's a brick house.
Bricks are hard and great for big cities. Mud houses keeps cool in hot places like deserts.
Igloos are perfect for snowy places like the Arctic.
People in rainy areas often build with bamboo. Wow! A floating house on water! In some places, people live on rivers in floating houses. We love camping! Wood, bricks, mud, ice, bamboo, even water. So many cool houses around the world.
Let's make a fun house. I like this house. Me too.
Can you draw your own dream house? What will it be made of?
Thanks for building with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.